Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing another installment of my series 52 weeks of clean, and today we're going to be focusing on deep cleaning your kids' toys. Now, we have had some really nasty sicknesses come through my home daycare, so I wanted to go ahead and do a deep clean on all of the toys. So that's what I'm showing you guys today, and I think you're going to learn a couple of really cool tricks from me. So we are going to start by just doing a general tidying up, because as you can see, it was an absolute mess in here. So we're going to start by just doing a tidy up, putting everything back into its place, and then we're going to move on into the deep cleaning. I also want to say really quickly here that if you are new to this channel, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button, throw me a thumbs up, and give me a comment down below so that I know that you guys are enjoying the series. And if you have not seen any of my 52 weeks of clean series yet, this is a series that I'm doing where every Thursday we are working on a different part of our homes, doing an absolute deep clean of one particular area, so that by the end of the year you will have completely deep cleaned your entire house. So today, let's just get right on into it and start cleaning these kids' toys.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
So I bet you guys can't believe this, but this is just one day of my daycare being played with. So it gets this messy every single day. And to be honest with you, I do not clean it every single day. Usually every couple of days, because it's just too much. So by the time it starts getting like crazy and they can't even really play anymore, that's when I decide to put everything back. But like I said, we're just starting here by just going ahead and putting everything away. That way at least I kind of have a base to go off of, and I can more easily identify what I need to do with each piece of toys and how I'm going to clean it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to run a bath, and I'm going to use this Clorox all-purpose cleaner. I'm just going to dump some of that in there, and I'm also going to dump some vinegar in there. I wanted to use bleach, but I was out. I didn't have any. So like I said, we've had some really nasty, yucky germs coming through our daycare. So I wanted to make sure and get everything sterilized as much as possible. And now I'm just going through basically all the toys, and anything that can be completely submerged in water, I'm going ahead and putting into this bin, and I'm going to toss in that bathtub. And basically I'm just going to let it sit there for a couple of hours. I'm going to swish it around a couple of times and let it sit for a couple of hours. And then I'm just going to let it air dry overnight and put the toys all back tomorrow. So like I said, I'm just going through, sorting through everything, and everything that can possibly go into the bathtub is going into the bathtub.
Every night I dream it.
So now I'm just picking up this huge bin of stuffed animals, and I am just going to pop those suckers in the washing machine. Now, I've always been a little bit afraid to put stuffed animals in the washing machine because I feel like it's going to ruin the washing machine or it's going to wreck the stuffed animal. I'm not sure, but I decided to try it and it actually worked out awesome. You just have to make sure not to overfill it, and also don't put any like really big items in there, because it'll almost, like, once it gets soaked up with water, it will almost turn into a weight and then that can affect your washing machine. So you want to make sure that you're just using the smaller ones in there, but you can absolutely put a whole bunch of stuffed animals in your washing machine at once, and that is the easiest way to clean it. I was trying to figure out here which cycle to put it on. I ended up choosing delicate just because, like I said, I was afraid that it was going to affect my washing machine. So I just went delicate. And now this is the most trying part of this entire experience. And that is that every single item that cannot be just tossed into the washing machine or into the bathtub has to be completely wiped down with Lysol wipes. I decided to use Lysol wipes once again because I really wanted to make sure that I was killing germs. So this took a while because I was trying to get absolutely every surface that these kids touch. And I have a lot of really young kids. A lot of my kids at my daycare are around the 2-year mark. And so they're always putting toys in their mouths. So it was amazing to me how dirty these Lysol wipes actually came out. Like, they were dirty. And I had just done this a couple of months before. I like to try to make sure I'm doing it every couple of months, but especially during the cold and flu season because it is bad. So yeah, basically for the next little while here, you guys are just going to see me wipe absolutely every surface down with Lysol wipes. And I will say that the next time that I go to do this, I'm going to wear gloves, because by the time that I was done, my fingers were almost tingly because I was just handling Lysol wipes for so long, and that's probably not good for your skin.
Still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm too scared away for a better great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah.
And you guys, this is why I love filming videos, because I catch little moments like you're about to see on tape when normally a normal person would not be catching this moment on film, and it just makes me so happy.
Here, can I have a sweet tea? Thank you. Did you go to the store?
Red Apple.
You went to Red Apple. What did you buy there? You bought me underwear. Oh, boy. Wow.
And I'm looking for your attention. Looking for your attention.
So while I'm forever wiping things down with Lysol wipes, I would love to know how you guys are making out with the 52 weeks of clean challenge. Are you following me every single week? I know a lot of you have commented that you actually are following me, and I love that. That makes me so happy. So are you following me every single week, or are you just kind of picking and choosing the ones that you feel like you need to do in your home, and how are they going for you? I would love to know. And also, I would love to know if you guys have any tips and tricks for desanitizing and cleaning your children's toys. It is just such a struggle here because, I mean, already I just cleaned all these and already today they had them all in their mouths again. So it's just such a struggle to try to keep them clean all the time. And I mean, this isn't something that you can really do every single day to sanitize all these toys. So if you have any hacks or tips or tricks for me, let me know in the comments down below as well.
No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger. Tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman. Sorry, I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So I also wanted to make sure and wipe down the furniture down here as well, which I know is not really a part of cleaning the toys, but these kids are always jumping all over these couches and they're always slobbering all over them and snotty noses running all over them. Like, I love my job, but sometimes kids can be really gross. So I wanted to make sure that I was wiping everything down. I wiped down the couches, I wiped down the table and chairs and the coffee table just to make sure I was catching all of it.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high.
All right, guys, we are nearing the end of the video, so I just wanted to pop back on here and say thank you so much for watching. If you have watched all the way to the end here, I truly, truly appreciate you. And like I said, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below how you're making out with the 52 Weeks of Clean Challenge. I'm so excited that I decided to start to do this. It's been so much fun, and I love getting the feedback from you guys. In any case, if you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video on Sunday. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.